Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok audio delay problem. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to fix the TikTok audio delay problem, make sure you've updated to the latest version of TikTok. First, go to your Play Store or your App Store and then search for TikTok in the search box. Make sure you have updated your application. If you've not, then you'll be able to see the update button popping out on this page. Since it is not, my application is up to date. Now you can go back to TikTok and see if that fixes your issue. If not, then another thing you can try out is to uninstall your TikTok application by tapping on the uninstall button and then try reinstalling it on your device. Now go to the app info page from your application and then go to permissions. Make sure all of the access has been allowed on your TikTok application and no permission has been denied. Now the next thing you can do is to force stop your application. Tap on the first up button at the bottom right corner and tap on OK from the pop-up. You can also clear your cache data on your TikTok application. To do so, tap on the storage button under users and tap on clear cache at the bottom right corner, and then tap on clear data at the bottom left. Now from the pop-up select OK. After you make this change, go back to your TikTok application and sign into your account and see if that fixes your issue. Those were some of the fixtures you could try whenever you're having an audio delay problem on TikTok. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.